In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your server key of Firestore notifications. By the end, you'll have the secure credential your server needs to send push notifications through Firebase for your Firestore-powered app. We'll walk through the exact path in the Firebase console, explain what each click means, and share a few best practices to keep your keys safe. First, open the Firebase console and select the project you want to work with. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has the proper permissions, such as owner or editor on the project. Once you're on your project's overview page, look for the gear icon labeled Settings near the project name area. Hover over Settings to reveal the options connected to your project configuration. This area is where Firebase keeps all the administrative controls for your project, so it's the right place to manage credentials that your backend will use. Next, go to Service Accounts. This section is dedicated to creating and managing the credentials your server or admin tools need to securely interact with Firebase services. It's different from client-side configuration because it's meant to be used privately on your server. Within Service Accounts, choose Firebase Admin SDK. This is the interface that provides the server-side keys and configuration the Admin SDK uses to authenticate securely with Firebase. If you're building notification features on the back end, this is exactly where you want to be. Now, click Generate New Private Key. Firebase will prepare a service account key for your project. You'll see a confirmation dialog that reminds you this key is sensitive and should be downloaded and stored securely. When you're ready, confirm by clicking Generate Key. A JSON file will download to your computer. This file contains your service account credentials that your server uses to authenticate with Firebase and send notifications. Treat it like a password. Keep it out of public repos, never share it in client apps, and store it in a secure location such as an encrypted secrets manager or environment variables on your server. If you ever suspect the key has been exposed, return to the same service accounts area to create a new key and revoke the old one. That's it. You've successfully obtained the key your backend needs to send Firestore-related notifications through Firebase. With this file in hand, you can configure your server-side code to initialize the Firebase Admin SDK and send notifications reliably and securely.